The collapse hierarchy command is a way for you to take the hierarchy of vertices that you have and basically crush it down to a given level so that you, in the end, obliterate the lower levels of detail that perhaps you don't need anymore. Here's a quick example. I'm going to create a new subdivision surface. Let's switch it over to standard mode. And let's do a little bit of editing on here. I'm going to grab vertices. We'll go down a level finer. I'll grab all these vertices up here on top, and let's refine these to add some more detail. I'll grab this selection of vertices here on top, and we'll pull these up. I'll grab this selection here on the very top, and we'll refine these again. And I'll make a little tiny selection up here that I can pull up. Now, let's also go to Display, Heads-Up Display, and switch on Subdiv Detail. So you can tell right now I'm at level 3, and as I go, let's go back to Vertices. As I go coarser, I go down to level 1 and then level 0 at the base, which is also shown over here at the display level. So what I can do is I can go to Subdivision Surfaces. Let's say, for example, just in this case, that I don't need level 0 anymore. As I'm modeling, I suddenly realize that these level 0 vertices are cool, but I'm just not using them anymore, and I never really see myself using them again, so I might as well get rid of them. And basically what I can do to cause this to happen is I can go to Subdivision Surfaces, open up Collapse Hierarchy, and all this really tells you is where you'd like to collapse your hierarchy up to. So if I don't need level 0 anymore, I collapse one level. So I just move everything up 1, collapse, I get a new surface, and now if I go to vertices, and let's go coarser, I can't go any coarser. This is the new level 0. Well, over here, if I go vertices, and we go one level coarser, level finer, notice that the level 1 vertices on this side are the same as the level 0 vertices on this side. That's because I have killed out all level 0 vertices, and also notice that it tessellated my surface to give a little more detail in order to accommodate that change. So probably not something you'll find yourself using a great deal unless you really are ready to abandon some of the lower levels, and you can go as high as you want. I could, for example, like here, if I go to vertices, you'll notice here's level 0, here's level 1, level 2. I don't think I can go any higher than that, so this only goes up to 2. I could come over here and collapse 2 levels of this hierarchy on this object. I get a new object that now is nothing but level 0 vertices. I can't go any finer, but its level 0 is the same as the level 3 of this object. So again, it's just a way to keep pushing that detail along. Now, a subdivision surface has a maximum number of levels of 13, which you'll never need. I can't imagine, unless you are modeling the lumps around each hair follicle of a character. You'll probably never, ever need to go that high, but should you ever need to go any higher than 13, you can always collapse your surface and go even higher in your subdivision. So that's all there is to collapsing a hierarchy, and that will wrap things up for this video. Thanks a lot.